Okay, so in this video we're gonna be replacing the final gear oil on this Yamaha V 650. This is a 2007 bike, and as you can see in this maintenance chart, the final gear oil right here, you have to replace it every 16,000 miles or 24 months. So the specs for this bike, it says for the final gear capacity you only need 0.20 US quarters. To replace the final gear oil, we need to remove uh, the filler bolt and the drain bolt. The drain bolt is going to be under here, and we need to have our oil pan ready for the oil. So we're gonna remove first the filler bolt, and for this you want to have your bike level, on a level position, the best you can do it. After it drains, let's put back the bolt, the drain bolt. Now we're gonna put the oil in there, and this is the kind of oil that you need for your final gear oil or transmission oil. If you go to any motorcycle shop, they're gonna tell you which one you need for your bike. They have all the specs. We're gonna put the oil there now. That's all you need to do to replace your final gear oil. It doesn't take much, but it's important to do it. Make sure you don't have any leaks on the bolts, and that's it. That's all you need to do to replace the final gear oil on your Yamaha V 650.